Hi, welcome to It's 9 p.m. and I still haven't eaten dinner yet, so I gotta make something real quick. Today we're having shrimp wrapped in bacon. The shrimp is frozen, so what I do is I just put some in a bowl. This is probably the wrong way. I pour some cold water in there. And that's it, I leave it for like 15 minutes. I should probably leave the water running, but I'm not gonna. The bacon, first I bake it a little bit, so I got these 2 trays. This one I'm gonna line with foil so that I don't have to clean it later. And then I just put this one on top. Staying with the theme of lazy, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this with some Pam. And then lay out the bacon. Ooh, that's so clean. Nice. Next, I set this to bake, 400, and I'm gonna do like 7 minutes. No preheating. Once the shrimp are defrosted, I just wrap them up in a paper towel. Just kind of dry them off a little bit, pat them a little, thank them for giving up their lives so that I could eat. Poor guys. Then I take a little bit of olive oil. I grind in a little bit of salt and some pepper. More pepper than salt. I guess with bacon you don't really need a whole bunch of salt because it's already pretty salty. And I stick my hand in there and spread it all over the shrimps. Now I'm gonna let my bacon chill out for a little bit because it needs to chill. It's too hot to handle. Now I'm gonna take a relatively healthy thing and wrap it in bacon. Just a little bit of bacon because I got like 15 of these shrimp, so I need to make it last. Skewer it with a toothpick. I'm gonna preheat this back to 400 and put these on my dirty tray. I normally do a much better job wrapping these, but when I'm filming, I do things worse. So now I'm gonna stick these in here for like 8 to 10 minutes. I usually do have a side with my lazy meals, something like this from Bird's Eye. These are microwavable, so I just pop them in the microwave and 5 minutes later, a side. But today, I'm just gonna have an orange. Like I'm already having this kind of unhealthy meal, so I'm gonna balance it with a fruit. They're done. I just spilled grease on the floor. Awesome! That's it. That's my bacon wrapped shrimp. Thanks for watching my lazy cooking skills, and I'm gonna go eat. Ooh, that's hot. That's really hot. Oh my god. Okay, bye!